Y'all, look at this refrigerator. Look. I definitely have to clean this refrigerator. I normally don't even have my refrigerator like this. It's just these kids, when they come in here, they do everything and let me clean this refrigerator. It has to be clean. Has to. I be trying to show y'all like the full thing, but for some reason my phone is always going out saying storage full. I don't have a camera or nothing anymore, so I'm just using, you know, what I have. So just showing you guys. I didn't